Hey there! In this video, I'll share with you an effective method for determining the mass of product deposited on the cathode during electrolysis. I'm Orlando Broomfield from Chemistry Core. Let's solve this chemistry exam style question together. Let me share with you a simple approach that I use when solving these kinds of problems. First, I start with the theory, then I analyze the question based on the theory, and finally, I use simple mathematical reasoning to solve the problem. We are told in this question that the electrolyte is aqueous copper 2 sulfate. So, let's start by writing the equation for the reaction taking place at the cathode, which is a reduction process. So, copper ions, which carry a charge of 2+, will accept 2 electrons to become copper atoms again. Now, using the mass of copper to be 64 grams per mole, right? Or simply grams. And based on the theory that 1 mole of electrons will require a charge of 96,500 coulombs, we can say that the amount of coulombs required for 1 mole of copper to be discharged is 96,500 coulombs times 2, which is 193,000 coulombs. Now we are ready to analyze the question based on the theory. Our thought question is, how many coulombs of electricity do we have in the question? To find out, we need to use the formula coulombs is equivalent to current times time. The question tells us that there are 6 amperes of electricity flowing through the electrolyte for 2.5 minutes. Now time needs to be in seconds, so we need to multiply 2.5 times 60 to get that answer, which is 150. Multiplying now, 6 times 150 gives us a total of 900 coulombs. And now for our final step, we'll use a simple mathematical reasoning called cross multiplication to find out the mass of copper deposited during the electrolysis process. If 193,000 coulombs produce 64 grams of copper, 193,000 coulombs produce 64 grams of copper, then 900 coulombs produce X grams of copper. Notice that the if statement is derived from the theory and the then statement is derived from the question itself. Now solving for the unknown X. (900) times 64 divided by 193,000, which gives us 0.298 grams of copper. Thank you for watching another video on solving problems in chemistry with Chemistry Core. If you were tuned in, you are now able to refer to underlying theories, analyze a question based on those theories, and use simple mathematical reasoning in order to determine the mass of solid deposited on the cathode during electrolysis. Good luck on your exams, and I'll see you next time.